Hello everyone, I'm back again with another tips for you. So today we are going to learn about the sign convention for mirrors and lenses. So before we start, there are three important things that you should remember. Okay, so the first thing is Cartesian coordinate system. Cartesian coordinate system. So you all are familiar with Cartesian coordinate system. It has x and y axis. The point where x and y meet is the origin. If we take mirrors, it is the pole, and if we are taking lenses, then it is the optic center. Now, right and up, when you write L, right and up, both are positive. Okay, distance which is measured to the right and distance which is measured above the axis, both are considered as plus. So just remember L. So L is always plus. This is your origin. Now inverted L is always negative. So this is your origin. Distance measured to the left and distance measured below the axis, both are negative. So here you just have to remember L and inverted L. L is positive, inverted L ulta, it's always negative. This is the one thing that you have to remember here. Now, second point that you should keep in mind is about the reflecting surface. So the reflecting surface of the mirrors should always face towards your left. That is very, very important. It should always face towards your left as per sign convention. So this is the second point that you should remember. Now, the third point that you should remember here is only concave mirror and convex lens. Concave mirror and convex lens. Only these two will give you real image. So you will get real image only for concave mirror and convex lens. This is the third point that you should remember. What about virtual image? Any idea about virtual image? Exactly. All four will give you virtual image. Okay, now let's move on. Let's see each of them one by one. Okay, yes. The first thing, okay, I'll tell you the thing which varies here, that changes here. Okay, that is image distance. It is denoted by V. So we know that we have two types of image, real image and virtual image. Let's talk about mirrors first. Okay, what will be the sign of real image? We know that only concave mirror will give you real and it will be on the left side, so negative. What about virtual? Positive, just opposite. Okay, now what about lenses? Now let's talk about lenses. So image distance. Only convex gives you real image. So where will you get? On the right side. So real image is plus. Right side is plus. L. Remember L. So right side is plus. What about virtual image? Which side you will get virtual? You will get left. So inverted L. Left side is negative. Now you compare both. It is just opposite. Correct? Here real is minus. Here real is plus. Here virtual is plus. Here virtual is minus. So this is the only thing that changes. Okay, image distance. This is the only thing that changes for mirrors and lenses. So you just remember for mirror. So lens is just opposite of that. And all other quantities like object distance, object height, image height, magnification are same for both mirrors and lenses. That's quite interesting, right? The only thing that changes is image distance. Rest all quantities are same in all four cases, both mirrors and both lenses. That makes it a little bit easier, right? Let's see. Yes. Just have a look at it. Object distance. Object distance is denoted by U. All of them negative, because we know that object is always placed at the left side of mirrors as well as lens. So left side distance, okay, inverted L and normal L. This is the only thing you have to remember. So left side means this side, so negative. So it is negative for all. What about object height, HO? Object is placed above the axis, so plus, all plus. Now image height, real image height. We know that only concave mirror and convex lens will give you a real image. So real image height is negative. Why? Because it is formed below the axis. Real images are always below the axis, so inverted L. Now what about virtual image height? Virtual images are always above the axis. This above the axis, so above the axis plus. And virtual image, all four will give you virtual images. All four will give you virtual images. So all plus. Now magnification, real. Magnification, if it is real, all negative. Here, these two cases, we know that there is no real. So only concave mirror and convex lens has real and it is negative. And virtual magnification, plus, plus, plus and plus. Here I'll give you a shortcut, real. When you write R, real, okay, for magnification, R, this, tilt, so all minus. Here virtual, V, just extend this V, so plus. So all plus. Okay. That is applicable here also. Real image height, magnification real, both, all of them negative. So just remember R, real, tilted, slipping line. So you will get minus. Then virtual. Virtual, when you write V, just extend this V. So you'll get plus. So this image height and this magnification, if it is virtual, plus, plus, plus and plus. That's so simple, right? Yes. I hope it helps you. Thank you.